What if you could start a full-blown business with 0 employees, 0 technical skills, and almost no budget, just using AI? I'm not talking about a side hustle. I'm talking about branding, logo design, website, product creation, content marketing, email campaigns, customer service, video ads, and analytics, all done without hiring a single human. Too good to be true? I thought so too. But then I put it to the test. I challenged myself to build a real business using only AI tools. No designers, no coders, no writers, just machines. And today, I'm going to walk you through every step, every tool, every breakthrough, and every limitation I discovered when trying to answer the question, can AI really build your entire business from the ground up? Let's go. First, the idea. I wanted to create a digital product that solves a real problem, not something gimmicky. So I asked ChatGPT, what is a rising problem for creators and remote workers in 2025? It analyzed data trends and suggested a plug-and-play Notion dashboard for content creators to plan, track, and scale their social media growth using AI prompts. Boom, that's a product. Then I asked ChatGPT to outline the MVP, minimum viable product, structure. In 20 seconds, I had a content strategy tracker, growth goals, performance analytics, and a built-in AI idea generator. Next step, branding. I went to Luca and typed in some keywords: AI, content, systems, growth. It generated a full logo, brand palette, fonts, and mockups. I used Chroma to generate on-brand color schemes and brand mark. I/O for favicon exports. Then I asked Midjourney to create a set of brand-style images: futuristic workspace, glowing dashboards, digital brains. It nailed the vibe. Logo, done. Aesthetic, locked. Product, defined. All in under 3 hours. Then came the website. I opened Framer AI and typed, create a landing page for an AI-powered Notion template for creators who want to grow fast on social media. Boom. It generated the copy, layout, animations, and even a sign-up form. I swapped in my brand colors, plugged in my logo, embedded Gumroad for checkout, and added a testimonial section with AI-generated reviews for testing. Yes, even the testimonials were written by ChatGPT based on fictional early adopters, because I hadn't launched yet. Then came content marketing. I asked ChatGPT to build a 30-day content strategy for TikTok, X, YouTube Shorts, and newsletters. It gave me hooks, CTAs, trends, hashtags, and even sample posts. I used Opus Clip to auto-generate short clips from my long-form test videos. I used 11 Labs to create voiceovers for promos. I used Synthesia to generate a virtual spokesperson demoing the product. And I let ChatGPT write my email automation flow inside MailerLite. From welcome email to follow-ups to abandoned cart messages, it handled it all. Then came customer support. I integrated a chatbot using Intercom with AI enabled. It could handle refunds, product FAQs, feature updates, and contact escalation without me typing a word. I tested it with 20 sample questions. It answered 18 flawlessly. Now I had a product, a site, a brand, a marketing system, a sales pipeline, and customer support, completely built by AI. So I hit publish. I launched quietly on Product Hunt and Reddit using an AI-generated launch announcement. Within 48 hours, I had 217 visits, 17 free downloads, and 3 paid upgrades. I hadn't touched a design tool, code editor, or spreadsheet once. The business was real. But here's where it gets even crazier. I asked my AI assistant to audit the data. Based on early sales patterns, time on page, bounce rates, and link clicks, it suggested optimizing the hero headline and repositioning the CTA. I updated the page. Conversion rate jumped by 9%. Then it said, "You're getting interest from indie developers. Want to build a second landing page just for them?" I said yes. It generated one. I cloned the funnel. Conversions doubled. So now, not only had AI built the business, it was scaling it. But let's be real, there were limits. First, creativity. AI can mimic tone, suggest trends, write scripts, but truly original thinking still requires you. It won't invent your worldview. Second, vision. AI will give you what's statistically successful, but not what's bold, risky, or deeply human. If you want to build something that breaks molds, AI won't lead. It'll follow. Third, ethics. If you don't watch your prompts, AI might generate biased or misleading content. You have to QA everything. Don't launch blind. Fourth, connection. AI can write an email, but it doesn't care about your audience. It can simulate empathy, but not feel it. Your voice, your face, your story still matter. And fifth, control. The more systems you automate, the more you depend on platforms. If a tool breaks, your business stalls. You need to own the data, the templates, the backup plans. But even with all that, the fact remains. In 2025, you can absolutely build a full business with 90% AI assistance. Branding, sales, product delivery, support, marketing, analytics, all of it. And for solopreneurs, creators, freelancers, this is a revolution. You're no longer limited by budget, skills, or team size. If you've got a problem to solve and a vision to test, the tools are here. And they're insanely fast. What used to take months and teams now takes days, and you. So should you do it? My advice? Yes. But start simple. Build an AI assistant for your content. Then automate your emails. Then try productizing your knowledge. One step at a time. Don't wait for perfect. Iterate in public. Let the machines handle the mess while you focus on meaning. Because your job isn't to compete with AI, it's to collaborate with it. Let it multiply your impact. Let it prototype your future. Let it build the system while you build the story. Because in this new era, the best entrepreneurs aren't the smartest coders or biggest teams. They're the ones who ask, what if I let AI build with me? Smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech challenges, future experiments, and real talk from TechWave 65.